Phones are an engineering puzzle. Now I'm opening one up, I'm trying to double its battery size. This is essentially what Scott Allen tried to do in his latest. Allen, best known for his strange channels and his ambitious repair to see if he can replace the battery in Samsung's TriFold phone with a high-end density silicon carbon battery pack from rival device. As you know, the Z ships with 3-cell battery pack at a total capacity of 5600 mAh. The latest book-style foldable manages a battery capacity of around 6660. Allen's idea was simple: take out those high battery and retrofit it into a Samsung device. In practice, it's a very complicated job. The Honor Magic V6 battery cells are slightly less than the space available in the TriFold, so Allen had to physically modify the battery to make a fit. That CNC milling parts of the chassis, grind them, and removing the bottom speaker to free up room. There's also a matter of battery electronics. Replace Honor's battery management Samsung to ensure phone could manage the new cells. The end result was 9600 battery pack inside the TriFold, which is 71% more than the original one. The modified phone actually runs and powers on, but it did not have perfect balance. A visible white line now runs across the likely to be stressed during reassembly. That's interesting. Being able to squeeze significantly more in the same physical volume could endurance for those devices. Samsung is very conscious about adopting the new fast battery incident. The company tends to prioritize reliability over aggressive battery. Samsung may be finally launching to use silicon carbon battery in future Galaxy